Well, I've had this package sitting here for a couple of months now and I haven't had a chance to open it up. It's some stock that I ordered to do a project that I've been working on. So I'm going to unpack it and we'll have a good look at what I've actually got here. Ooh. I always get excited when I receive new supplies. And this came from a company called Merlin Mosaica. And I've already made a number of video reviews on some of their products. The first thing I go for is the lollies, because let's face it, I have a bit of a sweet tooth. So they're going to be quite good to have. And I ordered some of these tiles. And these are sapphire gold, which is absolutely beautiful. And these are great to cut. These are a beautiful gold. And these ones here are Argent Street, which is some silver ones. And hopefully you can see how silver these actually are. They're very beautiful. These ones here are the bronze whaler. And again, they're fabulous. So we'll take those out. And there's some other goodies in here as well. These are some beads, and they're glass beads. Now, this is some sample stock I've been sent as well, and I'm not sure if these are all available on their website at this point in time. If they're not, they will be soon, I would think. Now, these are a beautiful glass bead and they're flowers, and I don't know whether you can see that. I'll try and move that up close so you can have a look at it. Really very nice colours. I love that blue. And blue and white is timeless, so I really do enjoy using those colours. These ones here are some more flowers, and I've actually, these are actual butterflies, not flowers, butterflies. So I'll put that up close. I don't know whether you can see that. Hopefully the camera will focus. Some beautiful butterflies there. I may even use some of these on a glass on glass. Now these don't have a flat back, but what I can do is I can grind them so that they are a flat back, and then I can use some very fine grit, wet and dry sandpaper, and that will take out any of the grinding marks. And a lady gave me that tip on using the wet and dry sandpaper. So I'm going to try that out and see what that's like. And then we have some flowers on a strand, which are really nice. And I've actually used these before on a glass piece, a glass on glass, and I did actually grind the backs off so I could use them. So they're very beautiful as well. There you go. And then I have these, which are some hearts, which are absolutely fabulous. Oh, I love these. Have a good look at those. Aren't they beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. I really like those. And they also are not totally flat, but if you use probably a grinder to actually just flatten it out a bit more, it might work quite well, where you could probably use these on a glass on glass. Definitely you'd need to try that because I actually haven't grinded these down, so how they would work, I'm not sure. But either way, these would actually, let me just hold one of these up to the light. Yes, these would be good to use on a glass on glass, but you could use them in just a normal mosaic anyway, but they are very, very beautiful, I think. Put those back in their bag. Might have to order quite a few of these actually, because they're the type of thing that I would use, especially in my smaller pieces. And then we have these, which are iridized. And you may find this hard to see, but they really illuminate under the lighting. And these are beads, and Again, they're not totally flat, but they're close to it. And these are like monstera leaves or monstera leaves, which I think is the name of the plant. And they are really nice. Hopefully you'll be able to pick up on that iridization there. They are beautiful. I think they'd be very good to use on a glass, providing that you can get those backs a bit flatter, or you use a neutral curing product such as Sudal Fix All Crystal Clear, where it has a bit of body, and then you could try that out and see how that goes with them on a glass, because you really don't want grout to get in underneath these, or any of your glass pieces for that matter. And then we have this, which is crash glass, and this is for use interior. This is coloured crash glass, and I'll just get my, oh, there you go. And I don't know whether you will be able to see that. Some beautiful colours in that. And this one here as well. Very, very beautiful. So I'll be interested in having a play with these as well. Some absolutely fabulous colours. I haven't actually seen coloured crash glass where you can just go and buy it. I know people do colour it, but I've never seen it where it's already coloured. But I'm sure you may have in your travels looking around, you may have come across some already pre-coloured crash glass. So some really, really good items there. But these are the ones that I ordered, and the others were a bit of a bonus, which I'm going to look forward to actually, and I'll just put these here for you to have a look at. I'm going to look forward to actually using some of these, and some of them, like these hearts, I'm going to have to order more of, because they are really quite beautiful. It looks like I've got my work cut out for me now, and I'm going to look forward to using these glass tiles, because they are fabulous to cut. And I'm certainly going to enjoy eating these as well. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've taken something away from it. If you have any questions, maybe you're using some of these products already, let me know down in the bottom of the comment section on the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy.